Did you know that you can share and sell your voice AI agents using GoHighLevel? We all love how awesome the voice AI agent platform is within GoHighLevel, but what if there was a way to sell them and share them with other GoHighLevel agency owners or other business owners in order to monetize your voice AI creation? We can do this with snapshot support with voice AI, so let me show you how it works. First, of course, make sure you already have one or multiple voice AI agents created within one sub account. We can also create workflows and opportunity managers and other automations in order to build an entire voice AI snapshot that we could use, for example, maybe to use with local businesses or maybe to use with other GoHighLevel agency owners. And we can customize all of these voice AI agents specifically for that use case. So when we share this or sell this to a specific audience, it can serve them in the exact way that served you. Now keep in mind, whenever you share voice AI agents through snapshots, the phone numbers are not going to be attached to them, so they can use them with their own phone numbers whenever somebody downloads your snapshot, but just make sure you already have some voice AI agents created. Then when we navigate back to the agency level, we can navigate to account snapshots, and then we can click create new snapshot on the right-hand side. Then from here, we can title this as voice AI snapshot, then select the account that already has your voice AI agents in it. Then on this screen, this is where we can select our assets within the sub account to attach to this snapshot. Now, we would advise that you attach things like knowledge bases, conversation AIs, and voice AIs together because you might have a voice AI that's being pulled off of a knowledge base. So just make sure you include whatever necessary assets you have within this snapshot. But for this case, let's say we're just going to be using our voice AI agents. So we can scroll down, and at the bottom, we have voice AI agents, and we can select the different agents that we want to include within this snapshot, just like that. Then we can click proceed, and this snapshot will be created just like that. Upon refresh, we can see our voice AI snapshot here. And the awesome part about using these snapshots is we can now share or even sell these snapshots to other GoHighLevel agency owners or business owners. If we want to sell this snapshot, then all we have to do is click how do I sell snapshots, and it'll go through how you can create an app in order to sell your snapshot, or you can use a simple website and payment gateway along with your snapshot link by clicking the three dots and then click share snapshot and then select get permanent link or get marketplace share link if you're going to be sharing this on the app marketplace in order to monetize your snapshot. It's also recommended that you would use asset protection whenever you're doing this so nobody can copy your snapshot. Then you can click get link, and then just like that, you'll now have a custom link for this snapshot for your voice AI agents, which you can sell and share to other GoHighLevel agency owners in order to monetize your voice AI agents. This is an awesome way to monetize and share voice AI within GoHighLevel. So as always, if you want to learn more about this, feel free to check out the blog, and thank you for watching.